One day sober, however, giving God glory for the great things he has done, Public Relations Officer of the Public Workers Union Daisy Hazard says they are still in a rejoicing and celebratory mood. Hazard says the long-awaited victory for pension restoration is especially triumphant for the retirees, whom she notes have been calling the union day after day.
Even as we rejoice, we know that we have to await the written judgment, which our lawyers should soon have in their hands, so that we can peruse it with our lawyers and deliberate on it to really understand the implications of the judgment and its important impact on workers.
The PRO also gave further clarification on the reports the union received, hinting that government has appealed the pension judgment.
As a union, we always try to stick very closely to the facts as we have it at hand. Yesterday, based on the information that we received, we would have indicated an understanding that the government intends to appeal. We have not heard any such thing from the government of Grenada as of today. But what we have been able to clarify and verify is that the legal team did ask for leave to appeal the case, to appeal the judgment. And so it means that within perhaps the next 2 weeks or so, if the client, if the principal, which is the government of Grenada in this case, so instructs the Office of the Attorney General, there may be an appeal.
Legal Affairs Minister Kindra Matthew Stewart has since issued a statement citing that the reports of a government decision to appeal is a contemporary misrepresentation. Hazard tells GBN that they will now focus on rekindling and renewing hope for the retirees, persons facing imminent retirement, and the nation's children.
The time for dialogue, unions have always been open to dialogue on pension and gratuity because we understand our responsibility to the entire social construct. We've always been willing to dialogue. What we were forced to do was to take the matter to the court, and the court has ruled and pronounced a judgment. And so what we expect going forward is that persons who have matriculated within the system and have earned their gratuity and pensions will begin to receive that immediately.
I am Gerard Joseph for GBN News.